Hello and welcome to section 11.6, which is on surface areas and volumes of spheres. So a sphere is a set of all points in space equidistant from a given point called the center. Another way to think of it is like a ball, a round ball, a softball, baseball, basketball. A great circle is a cross section of a sphere that goes through the center. So if you cut that ball in half, pretending that it would stay inflated, which obviously wouldn't. But if you picked up that half and looked at the inside, it would show you a circle. Circumference of the great circle is the circumference of the whole sphere. Hemisphere is half of a sphere. The great circle divides a sphere into two hemispheres. So theorem 1110 is the one that gives you the formula for the surface area of a sphere. If you remember these from junior high, they're the same formula as we did back then. It's 4 pi r squared. So what is the surface area of a sphere with a diameter of 14? First of all, you need to start by writing down the formula like we always do. So 4 pi r squared equals my surface area. 4 times pi. Now keep in mind that this is diameter and I want radius. So half of the diameter would be 7, and I need to do 7 squared. So 7 squared is 49. 4 times pi would be 12.56. So all I need to do is multiply those two together to get my answer. And it doesn't say to round it or anything, so 615.44, keeping in mind it is area, so it has to be labeled with the 2. So 615.44 square inches is my answer. The other theorem for today is the one that gives us the formula for the volume of a sphere. 4/3 pi r cubed. Make sure you pay attention to this little piece right here. That is cubed this time, not squared. So if a sphere has a diameter of 60, what is the volume to the nearest inch? So volume is going to equal 4/3 pi, and my radius is going to be half of this diameter, so it would be 30 cubed. So the 4/3 I'm going to wait till the end. Pi, I'm going to do 30 cubed first, which would be 30 times 30 times 30 again is 27,000. So this is going to be a very large answer here. And the next thing I'm going to do is take 4 times pi, the top of the fraction. So 12.56 times 27,000. And then I still need to divide the whole thing by 3. Those two numbers multiplied together will give you 339,120. And then I still have to take care of the divided by 3. The 4/3 is just times 4 divided by 3. So if there's something you can divide by 3 earlier to get rid of it, you could. Like I could have divided the 27,000 by 3 and gotten 9,000. But it doesn't matter if you leave it to the end. So if I divide that by 3, I'll get 113,040. And in this case, because it's volume, it is cubic inches. This is 113,000. So bring those two formulas with you. We'll talk about it more the next time I see you. Have a good night.